With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Students, the question is, if the straight line y is equal to mx lie outside the circle x square plus y square minus 20y plus 90 equal to 0, then the value for m will satisfy, and we are having these four options. So basically, if we try to understand the question, see what are we given here? We are given that y is equal to mx. This is what? This is a straight line. Okay, so we are given this as a straight line. And we are given the circle equation, that is x square plus y square minus 20y plus 90 equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Okay, this is circle's equation. Now we know that if this is our circle, okay, and if a line is a tangent to this circle, then in the relation of line and tangent, the discriminant will be what? D will be equal to 0 when this line is a tangent to the circle. At this point, we can say that here we are getting this discriminant is equal to 0. Okay, and we know that if a line passes through the circle, that means it cuts the circle at 2 points. At this stage, we know that the discriminant will be greater than 0. Okay, and if any line is outside the circle, okay, then in that case, what is the discriminant? Discriminant will be less than 0. Now here we are going to satisfy the point of intersection of these two so that we get this d less than 0. Okay, so we will put here the value for y. So the equation, this equation will become x square plus y is what? Mx. So putting here mx whole square minus 20 into mx plus 90 equal to 0. Okay, so on simplification, from taking x common, you will get this as x square into 1 plus m square minus 20m into x plus 90 equal to 0, right? Now, according to the condition given, we have seen that d discriminant should be less than 0. Okay, this is forming somewhat like quadratic equation. So from there, we will find the value for discriminant. D is what? It is basically, from this equation, if we write discriminant, so it will be minus 20m whole square, then minus 4. A is what? 1 plus m square into c, that means 90. Okay, and that should be less than 0. Okay, as we know that discriminant is what it is? B square minus 4ac. This is the value for the discriminant. So if I open this bracket, so this will become 400m square minus, I can write this as 40 into 9 into 1 plus m square less than 0, right? So if we take out 40 commons, so this will become 10 into m square minus 9 minus 9m square and will be less than 0. So 10m square minus 9m square is what? M square. Then minus 9, this 40 will be here, so it will be 0 only. So we are getting m square minus 9 less than 0. So if I write this as, this will be C. If I write this as m square minus 3 square less than 0, so we know that a square minus b square is what? It is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this will become, so here I can write using this property as m minus 3 into m plus 3, and that will be less than 0. Now we have to solve this inequality. So we are going to solve this using wavy curve method. Okay, using wavy curve method. So for that, first what we are going to do is we are going to equate this m minus 3 into m plus 3 with 0. So from here we will get two values for m, that is plus 3 and minus 3, two roots for m. Now the second thing which we are going to do here is we are going to plot them. Okay, so from here we will get minus 3 and here we will get plus 3. Now if I take a value that is less than minus 3, if I take minus 4, okay, and if I put it here, so it will be minus 4 minus 3 into minus 4 plus 3, that is what? Minus 7 into minus 1, so that is equal to 7, which is coming 0. That means we are having here positive. So that means here we are having positive. So we can write this as negative and this as positive by alternate sign scheme. Okay, so the curve will go like this. Now if we break this into intervals, because we want less than interval, right? That means we want this negative part, okay, here. So m belongs where? So m will belong to this interval minus 3 comma 3. Now if we see the option, that is option number B, which is mod of m less than 3. Okay, that means when m is positive, then it will be less than 3, and when we open it with negative, that means minus m less than 3. So this implies m will be greater than minus 3. Okay, so we are getting the interval as this m will be less than 3 and it will be greater than minus 3. Okay, so this is the value for m which we got. So therefore option number B is the correct answer. Okay, as since we have got that m lies in this range, that is we can write this as m belongs to minus 3 comma 3, and we can write it as mod of m less than 3. That is why option number B is correct. This is the required answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.